Whoa. Why is this like this? Let me get this back. Boom. There we go. What's going on, YouTube fam? Welcome back to another stream. Hope you guys are doing well. We are back in action. Back in action, ready for another trading session. Let me just get everything up and running here. Right, let me get everything sorted. Let me let everyone know that we are live on the stream. Good morning, bro. How's it going, man? Hope you're doing well. All right. Cool. Let me get this out of the way. Let me just get some music on the go. Let me just hear this, make sure it's not too loud. Music's too loud. Let me turn it down a bit. Cool. There we go. All right. Let me move this out of the way. How are you? I'm good, thank you, man. Hope you're doing well. I'm all good. Good morning, Aaron. Hope you have good trades today. Although there is main news. Good morning, man. Yeah, lots of news today, guys. Lots and lots of news today. Lots of news this week. It's going to be a very, very big week. We've got pound news coming up in 2 minutes, and then we got PPI later on for the US dollar. So yeah, it's going to be a very, very big week. Yesterday for the US dollar, we had CPI as well. So big moves yesterday on gold. Unemployment claims on Thursday, and then nothing really on Friday. So yeah, it's a very, very volatile week this week. A very volatile week. How many people we got on YouTube so far? 11 people tune in, 4 likes, guys. Remember, drop a little like for the stream. As soon as we hit 10 likes, I'll start sharing my screen. We'll start breaking everything down for you guys. Let me get this over here. Alright, let me let the Zoom guys in. What up, what up? Good, man, good. How you doing?
Yeah, good, man, good. How was wifey last night in New York?
I didn't trade it, man. I waited for that news, and news came out on gold, and gold like created an absolutely ridiculous like 200 pip doji candle. So I was like, oh man, there's no point even trying to trade after that.
Yeah, no.
I didn't trade it.
Yeah, not worth it.
Did you take anything?
Nah, I was staring at the charts, but yeah, I didn't really see anything that really secret well.
Yeah.
So I stayed off.
Good man. Yo, Antonio, what's going on, man? God, took a huge poop on it. Yeah, man, it really fucked it up. It's pretty much impossible to try and trade anything after that. It'd be pretty much trying to force something, unless you're waiting like a couple of hours after it, like 3 hours, so like here. But then by that time it's like fucking 2 AM for me. I got better shit to do. I got sleep at 2 AM. Alright, let me just turn this music down.
Don't you know yet? Yeah.
you're live. Yeah, you're live.
Yep, I am.
Yeah.
We got pound news just coming in right now. How's GJ going to react to this pound news coming up? 20 people watch on YouTube, 5 likes, guys. Remember, drop a little like. As soon as we get to 10 likes, I'll start sharing my screen with you guys, breaking down the charts. As soon as we get some bank this morning. Excuse me. But yeah, Goldie today. Let's have a look at. Let's break down Goldie on the daily. Let me just wait to get everyone in. All right, 7 likes. Look at that. 3 more likes. 3 more likes, and we'll start sharing my screen. There you go. Look, we'll just start doing it already. There we go.
How's it going, that fun?
Yeah, good man. Good.
Yeah, you're all good.
Good.
Good, buddy.
Oh, I'm knackered, mate. I'm not gonna lie to you. Absolutely dead. Knackered.
You cool?
Knackered.
Got quite during the line.
Yeah, it's just. I need to get aircon like Lewis said, I think.
Yeah,
What's the
definitely.
temperature?
In the nights, it's like, you know what? It's probably close to like. It's just so humid.
Yeah.
Like 15, 18. It's not like hot, but it's just the humidity is just.
18 degrees.
Well, I'm just not used to it.
Like a 12 or something like that.
24 degrees here now.
Yeah.
It's which is.
Let me get gold
I
on
don't know,
the
it's
daily.
different.
Alright, so gold on the daily is fucking terrible right now, to be honest. There's no direction on gold on the daily right now. All we can kind of do is draw on this kind of daily range that we're currently stuck on. We can maybe have it like this actually. Let's bring it here. But this is the reason that gold has been very, very difficult. This daily range is crazy. Just flipping bearish, bullish, bearish, bullish, bearish, bullish. Now straight back down. So we're back down to that daily support. But yesterday did grab some previous daily highs, closing pretty bearish. So if I had to give a direction, it looks like we're probably going to come down and maybe grab this low down here. From an intraday perspective, gold may retrace a little bit, but it's looking like we may come down and spike a little bit lower. But gold on the daily right now is very, very, very hard to call. We're just stuck in this massive 4-hour range. Currently trading like towards the lower of the range. We've not grabbed this little low before having this bounce back up, so I do think gold is going to spike down a little bit lower. We wicked out the highs yesterday before the move, which was nice. I had these hourly highs drawn on. Where's the hourly highs? Where was the hourly highs we had drawn on? Maybe this one I think we had drawn on. Spiked out them highs and then ripped back lower. Was it the 4-hour? If we go, let's go to the 30. And on the 30, yeah, so that's the high we were watching. Gold grabbed that high yesterday. Had that push back down, but huge doji candle there. And retracing a lot of this move in Asia. Now currently just starting to have a little push back down. Just clean up, get rid of these levels. On an intraday perspective, I mean, kind of got support, like resistance right here. It's so difficult right now. Let's do it on the 15 actually, because the 5 minutes, very, very messy. Kind of got 15 there that we've just broken. And then we've also got resistance there as well. So kind of trapped in this low range for now. Yeah, I think gold does need to come lower, or maybe even come back up and retrace some of this first. Maybe it's very, very hard to say where gold's going to go. To be honest, gold's in a very, very difficult situation. A very difficult situation. Nas, on the other hand, is on a beautiful bull run. had a huge crazy move yesterday with that news, and kind of stuck in this little range for now. Let me just get this up here. Yeah, NAS on the hourly, booming, breaking, retesting these levels, pushing higher. So on the daily, it's looking like we're going to continue, maybe come down, retest some levels, and continue running up later on today for NAS, which could be nice. I don't think we'll trade. Oh, why have I gone offline? What?
You've been lagging back.
Am I?
Yeah, you're back up.
What the hell? Why has it just gone off there? Anyway, yeah, NAS in this little range. Goldie is going to be very difficult to trade today. We'll see if we get some volume, but it's going to be very, very difficult. GJ, well, we just had that pound news. GJ hasn't really done too much just yet. If GJ could see a break lower, there could be some potential shorts to retrace some of this. Possible. Can break out of maybe this range. Could maybe short GJ for some retracements after that huge push yesterday. Massive run. What was that? It was big. Where was this? Yeah, huge push on GJ, which is nice. And then if you have a quick look at, why is this not moving? Have a look at oil. See what oil was up to.
Well, let me send this traffic first.
Oil. Daily grabbed these lows, had a little bounce back up. A nice push yesterday. Kind of got that level there. Kind of trapped in that little range for now. Alright, let me pause. I'm uploading a YouTube video, that's why. Let me pause this. How can I pause this from uploading? I don't think I can. No, can't. Is it lagging for you guys? It says that the connection is not stable.
I don't know if it'll lag. I think so. But, not on the Zoom,
Cool. But yeah, oil just need to break out of this as well. GJ needs to break out of this, and gold needs to break out of this as well. So now we just wait. Stream health poor. Why is that poor? What's this? How did hourly push on gold? Yeah, hourly's just flipped. Pretty bearish on gold, but you got support right there. Support right there on that hourly, and then resistance right there as well. Let me just check the stream on my phone. I don't know why it says it's poor. No, it's working fine. It's all good. It's all good. Well, that pound news hasn't really done anything. Let me see that. Has that pound news just come out? Yeah, same as expected.
I think you can have a little push with oil. Am I talking quiet today or it's all good?
That's all good. All good.
Cool. Yeah, I think oil can have a little push. So
Yeah,
like
nice.
there's like you were saying with gold, it's a big waiting game, isn't it?
Yeah, gold's going to be a big waiting game, I think.
Like those above your upper level, you set mid level then really on your bottom left screen.
Yeah.
That could be for.
Yeah.
I'm looking for like a break above your upper level. So I can attack this.
Yeah, it'd be nice. Yep. Yep.
I wouldn't mind entering something today. You know what I'm saying?
You boy.
Who's in the chat room, yeah? Kids back on cable. George, yeah. He's still in ours.
Different George. Different George.
Okay, George, you're not in ours.
Maybe George would like to be in Oz.
Bring back the old Aussie Discord.
No, you got banned.
No, I still
Aladdin all day, every day.
Any preference between trading Brent and WTI? Nah, not really, man. I've always just traded WTI. What is? I don't even know what the Brent. Why am I computer lagging? Is it the same? Yeah, exact same now.
Isn't crude oil just the majority of oil anyway, isn't it?
I'm not sure.
Am I making that up?
Maybe. I don't know though. If you just type in oil, what comes up first?
I'm gonna Google this shit. Is crude oil the best oil? Is
Goldie, look at the Goldie with the push. How many pipperiddies is that? Nice bounce off that support. 23 pips.
it's used for everything. Give me a oh boy, I knew my stuff.
Yeah, let's see how this hourly is going to close. See if this hourly is going to break back above this level. If it does break above this level, then I would consider some longs. I would rather take it lower though, because the daily is very bearish. So going against that daily trend is pretty aggressive. So I would prefer to take gold short.
Hey, garlands and coffee today. Fuck me.
Excuse me.
Been for a walk today with Sammy boy.
Yeah, I went this morning, man. But I've just been pretty much just sleeping this afternoon. I still feel pretty rough, to be honest.
Oh, babes. Aren't you having any like sympathy for Princess?
Nah, she's at work.
You're not second best to me, okay?
Thanks, man. Thank you. This is 15. Let's watch this 15. A little breakout there. Little breakout there on Goldie. But yeah, we got big news later on. PPI again. So big US dollar news again. 10:30. And then big US dollar news again on Thursday. Unemployment claims, core retail sales. And then you got FOMC tonight as well. Fuck, this week's fucking crazy.
Why are they so much news?
Yeah, let me change this to London. Yeah, this week's gonna set the tone for the next like 6 months or so. There's London. Let me go on London time. Save settings. today. Yeah. FOMC at 7:30 today, London time. Yeah, fucking hell. Gold is going to be very, very... Anything's going to be very, very risky to trade this morning. So we have to just take a couple of pips and that's it. So be it, but I'm going to be very, very cautious today.
What do you contracts?
Hey,
What do you contracts?
10.
Oh.
You are lagging a bit.
Am I?
Not your voice, but yeah, your video, but not your voice. I don't know, but your screen now.
Ah.
I don't think so.
Because I'm uploading a YouTube video, but I thought it'd be finished by now. I can't pause it.
Well, I could do. The gold on the 50-minute. It's it on your screen.
Yeah.
No. Your screen is the same.
Cool.
Anyways.
Cool.
Okay.
Yeah, it says it's back. Excellent. Stream is healthy. There you go.
There you go.
YouTube guys, drop a like for the stream. 9 likes. We should have been on 10 likes before we'd even shared the screen. Can you believe that? Can you believe that? Yeah, so today's going to be a huge day for the US dollar, unfortunately, for us London traders. Not a whole heap we can really do. So much NAS. I'm gonna get rid of GJ. GJ's just in the range. Let me set an alert on GJ. GJ breaks down back below here, I'll consider trading it. But until then, I am watching oil.
Good morning.
Yo man, how's it going?
Yeah, good, you?
Yeah, good, thank you man. Good. Let's get this up here. Alright, oil here. Fucking hell, look at NAS. NAS is a bit of a mess. $15-minute on gold starting to find some support. But I wouldn't take that flip personally. 5-minute bullish, doji bearish. Nothing yet. Nothing yet. If this 5 minutes going to respect, they'll push higher on Goldie.
Jeez Louise.
Morning, Al. Hot, is it?
Mate, honest to God, it's roasting now, it's boiling. It's lush.
Well, next week's the other way, you're on.
It generally is. But do you know when I was in Thailand, they were closing the golf course because the rain was so bad. I've come back from Thailand and it's like Thailand's come with me, except for the ladybirds. So Ron, I'm relying on you to bring the lead.
I'll probably bring the rainy season back with me.
I'd be very disappointed if you did that. No, apparently there's going to be storms next week. Yeah, it's like the floors are cracking and everything. I mean, it's crazy. It's nice. It's living. I love it. It's great. It's like, hey, you won't be long coming back, eh?
No, Monday.
Yeah, nice. You don't sound very...
It's cooling down a bit tomorrow next week, isn't it? 25, 23.
Yeah.
Are you excited to go back for a bit run or not really?
I am.
Nice.
Yeah. I've got a little list of things I want to do.
Good man.
I'll come down to Southampton this year.
Oh yeah, definitely.
Yeah.
Yeah, after.
No.
Maybe.
No.
Yeah, I will. No, I will.
It's alright, I'll do it.
Oh, you going?
Yeah,
Oh, he's
I will
going.
do it. You wouldn't do it, Chris.
I might do it. Not good at putting myself on mute.
Was it Pete? It was Pete, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was Pete. Yeah.
Is that? That'll always be epic. I'm so disappointed. We were on YouTube.
Yeah, it was amazing. Yeah, it's so funny. Cold.
I haven't looked at that in so long, mate. I'm not gonna lie to you.
What's that?
US 100 and 500. I don't know why I've got there on my charts anymore.
Yeah, it's pretty pointless until you trade it in US now.
Get these 5 minutes on gold.
Yeah, man. Fucking hell. It's gonna be one of them days again, I think. It's such a big week. You're pushing high now.
Now that I keep US 100 in my list, because I have this illusion that one day I'm going to have the time to trade US, so I keep it there.
Yeah. Yeah. It's one of my, I have written it down. I write it down every month to get on to US. I need to get on to the US. I think it's more of a winter thing for me, I think.
Yeah.
I trade it in the winter time.
Every day, like I routinely go over I just have a look at the US session on my pairs, see what happened. And it's like almost every day there's an entry.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah.
But it's been so long, I haven't actually sat and watched it live though, so I do want to trade it.
Yeah, it's just a tough. I find it's just a totally different animal. US.
Yeah. I don't doubt that.
I mean, yeah, if you're trading now, so you definitely got to trade in US. Like, it's just like you could spend London waiting like an hour to catch a move that in US could come in like 5 minutes. But that's why I just trade gold.
Sorry, Aaron, go on.
No, that's what I'm saying. That's the only reason I trade like gold in London. I don't trade NAS in London anymore. It's way too slow. Way too slow. No, he doesn't anymore either. No.
Only at 10 a.m.
Not even 10 a.m. anymore.
Yeah.
Can you believe that?
Holy moly. See the size of his chickens, because he sent you a video.
Yeah.
They're huge.
Yeah, they're beasts. Beasts.
They're on your anabolics.
440 The anabolic chicken. Morning, Aaron. Vivian, good morning, good morning.
Yeah, I thought most chicken from the supermarket was anabolic these days.
Yeah, it is. It definitely is. That's what you want. That is what you want.
No. Seen a reel yesterday of Thailand with chicken and stuff. But this guy went into a supermarket in Thailand to go get creatine, and came up with a trend.
What's the life, bro?
Quality. That's what you want.
Yeah. And he said, oh, okay.
Coming out like, oh, how did this happen? Oh, well,
Yeah.
we're here now. We're here now. No going back. Look at this 5 minute
I
gold.
cancelled my gym membership.
Oh,
So it's pointless be going on the trip. I know. Plan is to go back on the bag. The boxing bag.
oh yeah, nice.
Yeah. That's my plan.
Back on the bag.
Yeah. In the bags. Lose weight somehow.
We got 4 more minutes to this 30 is going to close on gold. Just bounced off that support. Stuck at that resistance. See, the previous 30 on gold flipped very bearish. And then very bearish again, now closing a bit doji. So unless we flip down bearish in the next 4 minutes, this 30 is not going to have that continuation. Mm-hmm. 16 pip push there. Morning, mate. Hope you're doing well. Good morning, man. I'm doing good, thank you. I'm doing good. Hope you're doing well. Good to have you on the stream, man. We're getting better.
Yeah. You let the colour back out then?
Yeah, it's nice, man. Very nice.
Yes. Ron, I was talking to you about Porsches up there, wasn't I? Ron was going to get a soft top.
Yeah, I did have my eye on one in England, but I wouldn't pay the price here though.
No. Not in Thailand.
Yeah, fuck that.
No. They're like 40, 50 pounds and, 40, 50 grand is about 80, 90 grand. And it's ridiculous.
Yeah, it's fucking just so stupid.
We saw an SVJ out there, didn't we? In Kosovo.
Did we? Did we? Yeah, we did. Yeah, we did. Yeah.
Yeah, it was in that Pool Beach.
An STO.
It was an STO, was it?
Yeah, fucking, it was ridiculous. At that pool party place, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like, how much did that must have cost? Absolutely. Well, disgusting.
Arkbar it was called.
I saw this sort of fully customised Lamborghini outside a club in Vietnam, and I just thought, how much does this cost
Oh,
in
man.
Vietnam for a Lamborghini? Like,
Yeah, it'd be crazy.
Oh,
Fuck, it would be mad.
it must be absolutely balling.
Yeah.
This is what I don't get. You know when like you get Forbes magazine and he's the richest person in the world and stuff. I reckon there's so many hidden billionaires and
Yeah,
that just don't want to be known.
definitely. Definitely.
Sorry, I'm late, mate. Quickly chuck up all those trades I missed up on the screen.
Alright, 2 seconds, man. So we had some gold longs from right here with stop loss. Oh shit. With stop loss like this. And we just took profit just now here.
Half a pip stop loss, was it?
Yeah, we just got a nice little 1 to 10 here.
Yeah, nice.
But yeah, but we're gonna wrap up here, I think, man.
you've been golfing again, Blake?
No, it was a long weekend in Australia. On the Monday was a public holiday, so I played Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, but I haven't played this week.
It had a big Monday.
Yeah, I haven't played the last 2 months.
Yeah.
Feels like
Thailand.
Oh, I wish.
For a holiday.
I wish. I'd take a hangover over that any day. You still trade news? I don't actively trade news, but I can take a trade after news. But I don't necessarily not take a trade because news. If there's good volume before, I can take a trade. I don't like to trade at the news per se, because you can just get absolutely ruined, even with a stop loss. This yesterday on gold would have blown a lot of accounts. Even if you have a stop loss, say if you have a stop loss like here, you're going to get slipped massively. And this candle on gold yesterday was basically a 200 pip 30-minute candle, which is just absolutely ridiculous. Just completely ripped both sides. So it depends how high impact the news is. But I don't recommend it.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah, I prefer not to.
I mean, that gold candle is actually breaks down just to the 1 minute.
Mate, it was
Almost
crazy.
The full length is literally just on 1 minute.
It's disgusting. It was insane. I was watching it live. It was fucking look at it. I had a buy stop here.
Same.
My stop was just below, and then my TP was just here. That's that. I traded with the banks yesterday. If anyone wants to know how that strategy works.
Well done.
Thank you, man. 124 S reward trade with the banks.
You also sold up.
Oh, is that sorry, man?
You also sold after that bike.
Yeah, sold. I bought here. Oh, wait, where is it gone? That's not even it. I bought here, sold here, and then took another sell here, and then closed it here. trading with the banks.
He's joking.
If you want to learn how to trade with the banks, TM me. Banks.
Iron bugs.
What's your 5-minute liquidity strategy video? Great stuff, man. Thanks for sharing. Good man, glad you enjoyed it. That's the key. The 5-minute intraday strat is the key. That's all you need. 5-minute strat with some good volume and some good ranges. That's all you need, man. A nice little bounce there on Nas. Okay, did you take that bounce?
Yeah.
Good man. Make some good bank.
Good answer. Good answer. Not if you didn't.
Yeah, that's cap.
Good answer.
That's cap.
Kaka.
Tesla finally hit my take profit last night, Aaron.
Oh, nice, man. Nice. Good, man.
I don't know how I feel about it. I'm happy that I'm finally out of that position, but deep down, I still think Tesla's going to rally up to like $400.
It's always the way there, man. When you want to get out of it, you get out of it. You're like, oh fuck, should I?
Yeah, but I'm happy. Like 10% profits, 10%, and that was like a massive. It was probably a third of my whole capital.
Yeah, that's amazing, man.
I'm happy.
How long were you in that for?
I forget exactly when. I'll tell you. I think it was about October or November last year. I got in.
You position trading.
Yeah, I invest like long-term invest a lot of my money in just the stock market.
It's good.
But by the time I got in it, I think the Australian dollar has also gotten 5% stronger against the US dollar, so I would have made even more money.
Nice. That's solid, man. That's good.
So,
Because they was it this week they standardised the electric charging ports for Tesla's ones, didn't
Oh, really? Is that why it's having this pump?
Yeah.
they? Yeah. So there's like all the big companies are now going to use the same Tesla port as like a standard
Oh shit, nice.
manufacturer.
That's pretty huge, yeah.
And there's a lot of companies are changing them. On the next version of their cars will be changed to the Tesla.
Fucking Elon Musk has taken over the world, man.
Good time to invest in lithium then.
Yeah, fucking hell.
So I bought two
Yeah, well,
shares
buy
of,
mine.
Yeah, yeah. I don't know any Somali warlords, so I can't.
I bought 2 shares of Tesla on the 18th of August, and then I bought 24 shares of Tesla on the 1st of March.
Oh, nice.
So,
Good man.
yeah, and then sold it all last night.
Yeah, very nice. Yeah, even buying back in, say bought back in March, that's 40%.
The first 2 I bought though was before the stock split, so they were worth like 1,200 each.
No. Oh
Sorry,
yeah.
600 each. I think.
Oh, fucking hell, by the start of the year, you're up 140%. That's crazy. That's a big move.
Tesla.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I'm kind of disappointed. Scotty of all people.
Ah.
Like, I'm like all like the electric cars you could have had. I said you could have had like a BMW i8, you could have had like a Porsche hybrid, you could have had a Mercedes, you could have had Aston Martin.
Yeah.
No, you went for a fucking Tesla.
Has anyone here driven one?
I actually haven't. Oh, I kind of would like to though, but I never have.
Right. What do you put in the video? I've been in it, to be honest. Like, it's so smooth.
Yeah.
Really is. It really is comfy. It just looks weird inside. It looks so weird. I don't know. It just doesn't look like there's anything in there.
Like a little spaceship.
Buttons. Yeah, but it doesn't look. But then you go on the screen and it's like everything is on the screen. And he's like, look. You can play Angry Birds. I'm like, what the fuck do you want to play Angry Birds when you're driving? I don't know, but it's on there.
I only like the Model X
I don't think
ones.
they're for me.
Nah, I wouldn't buy one, but I like the Model X ones. That's the. Where is it? In picture. But
I'm
yeah.
actually watching this stream in my Tesla right now. Yeah.
Yeah, these are pretty
Feet on the
fucking
dash.
badass. You got the fucking fire.
Autopilot trades, it just buys and sells for you.
Yeah, like, these are pretty fucking badass.
Yeah, lots of.
If you can do Angry Birds, it can do MT4, right?
Yeah, definitely.
That's true. Oh, wow.
Yeah, not worth the fuck. I
I
bet
saw
that.
someone last year or maybe 2 years ago on YouTube. He used the GPU and CPU of the Tesla to mine Bitcoin.
Fucking hell.
What?
How much? Let me see how much the Model X
How
are.
much how much are they in Oz?
Ah. Let me see how much their Model X are. No, see that I think that's, I don't like that. Wait, what? That's not the Model X, is it?
No.
Ooh, 130,000, I don't know about that. Ooh, 170. I think you're pushing it a bit there, mate.
Maybe.
How come you're looking at family cars, Aaron?
No. Not yet. Not yet.
Maybe Australia putting the prices up so much that everyone thinks, you know what, that's too much to buy. So nobody buys Teslas in Australia.
It's all part of the tactic.
You see them around.
Yeah, you do, yeah.
Yeah. Usually with some nerd driving it.
Yeah. Goldie. Cards with Aaron. See, this owl, it looks nice
They're
to have a
probably
push
really
down. God.
nice.
No, I don't know. Lambo are yeah, I've got. Doesn't Lamborghini do an hybrid car? I'm sure they do.
Lambo Wenser? Do they? I don't know. I know Ferrari do. I don't know if Lambo have yet.
Yeah, just yeah. So I was gonna pay 170 grand for a Tesla and probably go and pay 170 grand for a hybrid Merc or a hybrid.
Yeah, I was getting i8, yeah.
And T-badge an i8.
Yeah.
Black. I'd take all that stupid, childish blue line all around the car. Take that off. Looks like a Batmobile.
Yeah, the all blacked outs are fucking more nice. Trade until it's 1% stop loss. Alright, let's do it.
Come on, Lauren. Give me something so I can buy.
Yeah, I'm trying to make some bank. Could be worse though. I don't know what's worse. I think this is worse though. Having one of these and driving a Tesla as well is pretty bad. Let me show you these. Probably one of the worst I've ever seen. Absolutely terrible. AP doing that collab with fucking Marvel. It's the worst thing I've ever seen in my fucking life. Like,
How much is the Black Panther worth? Like, maybe
it's fucking
500,000? Ridiculous.
Literally, it's horrible. It's so. It looks like a kid's toy. It's the worst collab they could have ever fucking done. Oh hell no.
Oh, look at that one, man. The black one.
But they did the Black Panther one though to like commemorate. Is that the right word? His death.
Oh, did they? Yeah, that's quite nice. But
what's that actor's name? I don't know.
Yeah, I know. I can't remember his name. Yeah. Then to do the Spider-Man one, it's just like fucking hell,
The
man.
Spider-Man ones, yeah. I don't know why that's weird.
Literally like an elite fucking watch producer. You make a collab with fucking Spider-Man. What the fuck?
What do you think of Tudor, Aaron?
Yeah, Tudor's nice, man. I like Tudor's.
Yeah.
Same movement as Rolex.
I really like watches. Yeah, I really like watches. Obviously, I'm not financially stable enough to buy a Rolex. I'm thinking about buying the Tudor Black Bay 41, the silver and gold with the Jubilee bracelet.
Yeah, they're really nice, man. Tudors are clean. Tudors are classy. I like Tudors. There's a dealer in the Gold Coast. It's run by two UK guys. They got some pretty good watches. Yeah, Tudors. Tudors are nice. Yeah, they actually have. Let me see if I can find it. They got some. They got some. Here it is. I think they had some Tudors listed the other day. Patek. Yeah, Patek's some ridiculous, man. My favourite. Goldie pushing down on this 5 minute, but this hourly level needs to be broken for me before I take anything on gold. Where is it? They had a Tudor the other day, I think.
Sorry, Aaron, did you break down GJ at all?
Yeah, Dimo, we'll go on it, man. We'll have a look at it. Let's have a look at it. It's in. I've set an alert on GJ because I would like.
The hourly looks great.
Yeah, I'm just waiting for it to break out of this little 30-minute range for a potential play. Let me see on the hourly. Yeah, hourly's Oh man, hourly's wild right now. Like, look how this is just flipped. Like bearish, bullish, doji, bearish, bullish, bearish, bullish. It's fucking. I'd rather take it down lower for sales to kind of retrace some of yesterday's pump. To be honest.
Yeah.
But
I mean, I was looking at the levels. I mean, going up, there's not much up, is there?
no, not really. And the thing is, yesterday was so strong that we may not retrace this yet. We may just continue running all the way up. Because now that it's breaking above these levels, as soon as you break like this, which we're pretty much breaking, you got a nice push all the way back up into like 180, pretty much 181 is pretty much the next level where GJ could just keep driving. It could just keep having an aggressive push. But yeah, the 30-minute, I need to see it break out a little bit more. It's just very... We had pound news as well. I was expecting it to give us some movement, but it didn't actually really do anything. So we just need to see it break out a little bit more. That's back down. Do you have a look at other yens that correlate between GJ? Nah, man, I never really look at pair correlation. They never really move that alike. You can sometimes look at euro yen and pound yen, but nah, not really, man. It doesn't really bring any value to me. It's just like, it's not something I would look at when I back test, so there's no reason to really look at it if I'm trading live. You can watch it though, but no, I personally don't. Same as like some US dollar pairs as well. Like some just move completely different. Like if you were looking at like GJ and GU and EU for example, like you could be looking for correlation there, but for the most part they move very different. But no, I don't really look at any pair correlation, to be honest, man. I mean, could be a gold outlook. Yeah, sure, man. Let's have a look. So yeah, I was just saying gold is very, very difficult because gold on the daily right now it's in this crazy range like this, just flipping incredibly bullish and then bearish, chopping doji, bullish, bearish. But if I had to give a bias today of where I think gold's going to go, for the fact that yesterday wicked out Monday's high and closed very bearish, breaking this little support here. I personally think gold's going to have a little push lower to maybe come back down. Grab this little double bottom here, maybe come down and grab these lows. So it's hard to say, but if anything, I think gold's going to come lower. On this intraday perspective, you know, we've had this huge run down. We liquidated these highs here, had this aggressive push back down, retraced a lot of it during Asia. And as soon as we clear this level here, I'll be looking to short gold back down into these lows and back down into this low here. But I pretty much just want to see it break this little intraday support so we can then take it lower. Once we break this, if we can then short it into here, we're talking 60 pips. And then to short it back down into these lows, we're talking 60 and then potential 80. But yeah, the daily is very, very difficult. And then today we got that, we got PPI at 1:30 London time, and then FOMC again at 7 p.m. London time. So it's going to be a very, very volatile day again for gold. A very, very volatile day. So it's just, like I was saying, gold is in, I mean, a lot of pairs are in huge reversal areas. So for me, this week is going to set the tone for the next like 6 months or so. This week's going to be very, very important because we got FOMC today, PPI today, and then you got unemployment claims tomorrow. We've got unemployment claims in Australia as well. So yeah, this week is huge, very, very big. See that 5 minute flipping back bullish now on gold. But yeah, it's hard to say where gold is going to go on the daily, but just based off the way that We've wicked out the highs yesterday. Flipped incredibly bearish. I think it makes sense for us to keep following this momentum back lower. Following this initial trend, we've been in this big range. The lows of the range are all the way down here, so if we're going to have a run up high, we're probably going to come and grab these lows first. We've already grabbed the highs. This high is being grabbed. This high is now being grabbed. So we've liquidated all highs necessary before a push back down, which is what we want to see. So I would like to take it lower.
Yes, we do. Breaking out of that trend right now in the 15s and
Yeah.
I don't think the trend does that much anymore.
Nah, not really. I mean, if I sometimes look at it, but I can only kind of see it without even needing to draw it on, to be honest. Like, you can already see where it's kind of coming up here, little breakout. We've got 10 more minutes till this is going to close. I would like to see this hourly have this continuation bearish. So if this next 5 can flip bearish and then continue, then we could look for this short. Anticipating that this hourly is going to have a nice drive, because hourly's broken this level, retested, but it's now come back up. So what did you just hit on the break of this low? You hit 7 pips.
Closing below the 15 level, that'd be nice.
Yeah.
And if there's hourly, could have a 40, do you think? What we're looking for?
Yeah, I think so. I think that'd be nice.
It's nice to have these little thoughts, because if I'm thinking something, I can just ask you straight away.
Yeah, absolutely. Absolutely.
Trading wise.
About to hit 100 Fahrenheit highs this week. Holy shit. What's that in degrees?
100 grand a week.
Fahrenheit.
Oh,
100, yes, that's 37. Holy shit, that's fucking hot. 37 degrees, yeah, fucking me, that's hot, man. I thought Thailand was hot. Yeah, Texas gets too hot, man. Yeah, Texas, fucking hell. That's crazy.
Doesn't Texas get everything? Like tornadoes and stuff. No, I don't know. That was a question.
They have barbecue season.
Yeah, hurricane
week.
Yeah, there we go.
Hurricane season.
Hurricane season.
Oh.
That's
It snowed there a few years ago and everyone got caught up.
It snowed in Texas, that's crazy.
Texas.
Was it Texas?
I sometimes see houses come up on Instagram in Texas, and they're fucking huge.
And cheap.
Yeah, and cheap, yeah. They're fucking massive. For like 300,000 or some shit.
Ranch.
Yeah, full on. Probably in the middle of
I
nowhere
went
there.
to Texas when I was living with my parents and back in like 2014, and the dollar was dollar for the AUD.
Yeah.
So we went over there and we didn't even take suitcases. We bought a whole new wardrobe of clothes just because it was dirt cheap.
Nice.
But we didn't really check the weather, so we left Australia in shorts and shirt and thongs, and we landed and they were having 100-mile-per-hour storms. And we're just walking down the street in shorts and shirts, and everyone just thought we were complete fucking idiots.
Nice.
If nothing's
Nice.
tourists, that's it.
Dumb Australians.
It's like when, like, you can tell, well, especially when we were in Thailand, me and Nara were English, we were like, yeah.
Oh, yeah. Fucking hell.
They were walking around like flip-flops, and got like white Nike socks on, up like midway up to their shins,
Yeah.
walking around 40-degree weather, and I'm like, oh my god.
Yeah.
I think I
Yeah.
only took like 3 pairs of socks.
Fucking hell.
And then Joe brought Zara with him the whole shop.
Fucking hell. He's your mate.
every time we went into a different villa, it was like walking into a fucking mall with him.
Gold, man. Give us something, gold, please.
Oh, he doesn't move either.
No, it's fucking so quiet. We've got London Open in 4 minutes, so let's see if the Open can give us some volume.
I got alert on GJ, that's dropped in.
Oh yeah, did you have a little push? Right, give me 2 secs.
Be nice to GJ, good drop. Continue this down, break that Aaron's level. There. And give us an entry, boom. And then job done. Quite simple really, isn't it? What do you think, fun? I don't fuck off.
Yeah, that'd be the only thing that I'm looking at, really.
Yeah. We have a board in close below that level, you know? And if, when or if it does come off there,
Yeah, it's got a long way to fall.
yeah, I'm done for the day.
Yeah, that would be nice.
I'm done for the week. Yeah.
Yeah, it's 100 pips.
Yeah, it's solid. Boom, 50 down to there.
I don't do that. That's but I'll take 40 pips. I'll take 100. I'll take anything at this moment.
I'll take 10. 10. Give me 10. I'll take it.
GG.
Anything and everything. I'll take 10 on GJ, 10 on gold, and 10 on oil.
It's funny, London's been shit this week, but Asia's been pretty good.
Asia had some nice runs again, eh?
Yeah.
Even on gold. I think it's because London waits for the news, and then the news comes out, then Asia kind of gets to trade it pretty much. So what was this? Where's this today? Wednesday. So Asia here. How many pips is that up into here? It's like 60 pips. Nice clean little uptrend. Clean little uptrend actually. Slow London, yeah, very slow London, man. Past 2 weeks have been slow in London. It's just market cycles though.
Yeah. Yep. Not always going to be like this, is it?
Nah.
I fucking hope not, don't I? But I wouldn't mind a straight piped pork bush on the driveway, you know? Just wouldn't mind it. With my AP watch that I bought from Thailand. That was funny. That story.
Did you actually buy an AP from Thailand?
Yeah, I did.
I got dripped out.
When did you get Royal Oak?
Aaron, which one today?
Yeah. There's a Royal Oak.
Yeah.
For you, I do a very good price, sir.
Yes. Very good price. Mark's face, and I just came in and I'm like, nah, too much.
Yeah.
What? Mum.
Aled, go get it and put it up to the screen.
Everyone on YouTube, get ready to get a screenshot of this Forex scammer. Get your phones ready. Aled's about to drop a trading community. Come on, gold. Gold just closed doji on that hourly. GJ still stuck in the range. Nas at the lows of this range, looking like it's going to have a lot drive lower. There she is.
So if you want to buy my course,
Aled's got a discount on his course at the moment.
it says my name on it, so
Yeah, it does.
that's
Be rude not to. I've actually just had a pretty nice hourly close there on Nas actually. Look at that nice hourly close on Nas. Very strong. Nice top wick on Nas right now. Maybe do you want to short it down into into these lows? 200 points. Ooh. Go on, Nas. You're gonna give us some goods this morning. Not with this fucking run. Chill out. That was a nice hourly close though, Nas. That's probably the nice hourly close across the board. How did oil just close in the hourly? Doji. Let me just get this up. Let me just get this Nas a little bit bigger. Cade's firing up the laptop again because we said Nas. Get ready, Cade. We're back. We're back in business. So hourly is just broken the support, flipped to very bearish. You can maybe see it drive back down into this support, and you can maybe see a nice little 200 point run.
15 minutes, nice, isn't it?
Yeah, 15. Yeah, 15 is real nice. Instant top wick. All right, I'm gonna have a sell stop in below this previous 5 on this current Nas sell. Stops are going to be above this current 5. And we're going to look to target somewhere down into this support down here. If this 5 doesn't flip bearish, we will wait. Got a little. I have to check to see if S&P hasn't grabbed this though. Quick, if I can do it quickly. Got a double top there. See if S&P's grabbed that high. Yes, it has. Beautiful. Cool.
Right, what's your contract for NQ?
NQU3.
NQU3?
Yeah. Yeah, boy.
Thanks.
Good thing about futures and the fucking contracts. Do you want me to roll them?
Yeah. You can do it. It's done automatically.
How come one isn't?
You have to set it, change it in the settings so it does it automatically.
I thought I did.
Ah, fuck. My chart
Triple
is
well than me.
different.
So kind of bouncing off this. We are in this support here, but we've broken out of this. Currently retesting. So this, we can just take a quick maybe 100 point trade. If this 5 minute doesn't close bearish and continue, then I'm going to cancel this order. So let's just see how this 5 is going to close in 1 minute. But I got this sell stop in on Nas right now.
My broker doesn't correlate with my currency.com US100.
The figures.
No,
Yeah,
not one bit.
it's always fucking different, man. It's so annoying. Alright, 5 minutes just flipped a bit too bullish there. So I am personally going to cancel and just wait. So 5 minutes just broken back above this little minor resistance here. Currently retesting. So I've deleted this sell stop now, but I'm gonna wait. I couldn't re-enter because you know the 30 and 15 are still. I've got potential to flip bearish really, really well. I'm just gonna keep monitoring the 15 for now. Sorry, the 5 on my other chart.
Value dropped on the 5. Jesus Christ.
Alright, we're also waiting for this. Let's not miss anything else. We've got a London Open now as well. Yeah, oil having a push, no top wick. Alright, NAS is... So the reason that I'm cancelling that order is because I would have wanted that 5 to flip with nice momentum, but now I have to kind of see it close back below this level. Because now that NAS is trading above this level here, once we trade above this level, you typically have a nice bigger run up. So yeah, see now we're flipping bullish. So no shorts activated just yet. Broken now, retesting, may push higher. So we're gonna wait for this 15 close now on NAS. But the main bias will be based off this hourly potentially having this continuation back down. So the 5 minute can flip and dick around as much as it wants. The main short is based off the hourly.
It's pretty much exactly the same as the setup I took on GBPJPY in Asia today.
Nice, man, nice. That's what we like. That's what we like. Let me just make it a little bit bigger. Yeah, 5's finding some support now. I'm gonna stick to the 15 on this chart. I'm gonna have my 5 here. Look at that 15. Yeah, if the 15 engulfs the previous like that, then it could be a little fake out of the support to maybe run these highs. But S&P has grabbed these highs, I believe. That was the high of 330. 330 yesterday, London time. 330, which is here, which is being ran on the S&P. Very nice.
This can be you just watching US 100.
Sorry?
You just watching US 100 or what is it?
Nah, I'm watching Goldie as well. This Goldie's starting to flip bearish. Not broken this little support just yet, but we are getting some London volume.
Nice.
Yeah.
I'm hoping oil can be a fake move and close above the 15-minute level.
Yeah.
Right to the new.
Let me see.
Because
Yeah. Didn't grab any because the last 330 minutes didn't grab any highs. So to me, that shows that there's a lot of liquidity sitting above here.
This is where I'm tempted to look at buys where to go. Like even go break even from there.
Yeah. You buying now? Retest?
No. No.
Okay. Stop to break even.
Oh, okay. That makes sense.
Yeah, cool. TP1 hit. TP2 hit. Oh. Fuck, look at Naz. Naz on the rip. Wowee. Look at that. What a push. Fuck, that would have been a fucking lovely catch. That Owly is looking like it's going to completely fake out. Oh yeah, lovely. Big rip. Big rip back up on Naz.
Back in our range.
Yeah. Back in that range. trying to break. Not breaking just yet though. Dee, 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 dee.
No, it's been a bit slow though.
Yeah, man, very. We are getting some nice volume though across.
No.
Who else streams London? Let's have a look at some other London streamers, see what that's taken. See if anyone else is jumping open.
Fuck, oh, you got back. No, I was saying this.
Ooh.
Fuck.
Yeah, see I told you, I put stops to break even on that oil long.
You know what I was saying yesterday? Like it's a fake move, London, and then it goes back.
Yeah. Oh, look at Naz with the push. Holy. Look at that rip. Naz off the rip. If that was a setup that I had on gold, I would have taken that. But I haven't taken them setups on Naz too much. But look at that. Faked out, break back above, quick retest. Now wicking out that double top. What a rip. What a rip.
This is nice.
Potentially sell gold. I'll take gold once we break out this little 5-minute range. Once we break this range, man, we can look to take it. That's with the ripperoonie. Look at that. What a push. What a push on Naz. The best push of Naz on seen in fucking ages.
In London.
Yeah, in London, yeah. Let me see, bid trade. Oil, oh nice, good to see you on oil, man. Caught oil yesterday, nice move, I've got to work on my profit. Leaving too much profit on the table. PE. Yeah, that was a lovely play, man, lovely push. Good to see the boys watching oil.
Yeah. It always just gives that like retracement back.
Yeah.
And like I'm not sure that big enough. Just that quick what it's created. I've been 12 pips, just that.
Yeah, huge.
I know it's 12 pips, but same time.
Since you mentioned I started trading it. Yeah, it's good, man. Oil's fucking beautiful. Oil can move so clean, man. So clean. Look at that rip on Naz. What a push. Holy. Oh, Naz. Slow down, buddy. Holy. Naz is not here to fuck spiders. Look at that 5-minute close. Wow, yeah, that's beautiful. People say you can't trade Naz in London. Alright.
I know, I'm sure later that's mine.
Who said that? Who said that? Let me rewind this stream quickly. Any news come out? No, just good solid volume. This is why I need more screens. I might have to buy a few more screens. I think. I need to be watching even. I need to be watching even more. I need I need the next one up. I need this many.
Cool.
Ah, fucking brokey. Can't afford it.
If GG can have this 30-minute just fall a bit further, that'd be nice.
Yeah. Goldie flipping back
If you want more
bullish.
streams, you got GG up there as well.
Well, yeah, it's the thing. If I had another two here, could have GJ and something else. Don't know what. We could have stonks, a sort of stonk. We'll have Bitcoin here. Bitcoin to the moon. Bitcoin to the moon.
And it is available by aisle.
Yeah, it's an aggressive push down, but there's no top wick on this current of 30 without even grabbing even this high or this high.
Yeah.
It's a bit.
By 15 and 30.
Yeah, man. 5 minute find that support.
Dice is long and aisle.
Sorry?
Dice is long.
Yeah. Yeah.
Come on. And this 30 on GG is lovely. Very nice, very good. Very good, very nice. Go on, man.
That setup there was fucking, look at that. Break, quick little retest, re-break the highs. Boom. Even that one would have been nice as well. Re-break that high. Boom.
Bada bing.
Okay, did you take it? Yeah, Kate. Yeah, Kate took it, yeah. Good man. Oh.
Well, I took it the other way. I took a sell, so.
Yeah, good man. Same as me. Stop loss open though?
Yeah, of course, yeah. I would never put stop loss in. What risk management?
What's risk management, sir? Yeah, that's a massive push.
Left for 2 minutes and I come back and it's like a library in here.
It's nice, isn't it? Gold, man. Gold is so fucking dead. Oh, Nas. Nasdaq.
What do you think of Declan Rice coming into Arsenal and then on?
Oh, is he? I didn't even know that. So much I keep up with it.
And Gundogan. Is it Gundogan? Did I say that right? Or did I butcher his name?
Declan Rice, Arsenal. $100 million deal. Wow, we. Nice.
Yeah, Gundogan. And is it Cancelo? The ex-Man City defender. He's gone to Bayern Munich and play Arsenal after him also.
Nice.
Expect them to be a Premiership winning team, I bet.
Yeah, it's coming home eventually. Arsenal are working on it as well.
This 30 and oil could be juicy.
Yeah, it could be. Oil's looking like it wants to run.
And I want to be involved. Only thing is, there's a lot of resistance on that 69.55 on the 5 minutes, isn't it?
Yeah. Stops would have to be quite large.
Fortunately. Yes, very good, very nice. Very nice, very good.
See, look like this. That like from a little intraday scalping perspective, like what's been like fucking running so much recently is like, if you catch a rip like this, like even on gold or something, rather than just closing like as soon as it comes into resistance, if you just trail every little 5 minute low, you make fucking so much more out of your position. Like, just even on gold, if you catch a nice rip on gold, every time the 5 minute, if it has nice volume, just trail below every single 5 minute low. Just keep trailing. So now you have it here, and then boom. This one would have been absolute bank. Absolute bank. That was a huge run.
GJ looks pretty nice.
Ooh. GJ, yeah. Oh yeah, if it can break that support in 5 minutes, that could be a nice little play. Let's get it up here. Oil doesn't really interest me. Oh yeah, look at that little fake out there from the 5 minute. Slammed back down. It's a nice push right now. How's that 15 looking? Yeah, getting nice closure there. That could be nice.
Come on. Nice, there's a little bit of movement, yeah?
Yeah.
GJ can still break below 176,500 also. Still waiting for that.
Gold's just ripping up now. Nah, not really. On the 5 bit, on the 5 just had a push, but there's no range to trade it. Like on the hourly, it's still stuck in between these levels. Unless you get if you get closure above here, you could take it in the next 5 minutes. But the 5 minute is way too messy. Like the noise here, I could think it's booming. You could literally just come like all of this is just a lot of noise. No bottom wick on this current 5 either. It's not moving just yet. We are getting some volume, but there's no breakouts. Like even you look at this 30 as well. If the 30 closes above in 3 minutes, we could take it. But it honestly wouldn't surprise me if this 30 then starts to close all the way back down. See, everything's starting to slow down 3 minutes before the close. Because even if you jump in gold now, you got to be break even here at 14 pips. GJ now pulling back up. Two more minutes. Two more minutes on Goldie.
30 minutes looking strong now, isn't it?
Yeah, it's looking very strong. Grab the previous 30 low. I'd need a very strong close in this 2 minutes, and then a bottom wick on the 30. Otherwise, stops are going to be stupid. Is oil doing anything? I don't think so. Let me have a look. Oil.
No, it's just close. I don't know. Nah. I'm waiting for this 30 minutes to see where it is. I haven't got much confidence in it closing above that level there. This is 69.45.
Yeah.
I haven't got much confidence in it on the 15. But we'll see.
See gold now at these highs.
I would really like to show GJ, to be honest.
At 30 on NAS. Then let's find some resistance. Oh, look who it is. Well. Grab the lows, that's a nice 5 minute push. Top step better than my funded FX. Yeah, right in my opinion, man. I got a video coming out them tonight. Way better rules, man. Way better rules. Good afternoon.
Hey.
Hello.
Sorry I'm late.
That's alright, man. I'll let you off.
I broke down.
Big sesh.
You missed so much.
Yeah. You just had that 30 close. So GJ's not broken the range yet, so you won't trade GJ for the next 30 minutes. Gold's ripped higher, but there's just no clear range.
Yeah, check out the wick, it's leaving on the 4 hour.
Yeah, there's no range on it at all. You go long right now, you're longing into 30 resistance and support. There is absolutely no setup now. Unless you were to, if you were to jump in longs like on the break of this 30, your stops have to be all the way down there at 40 pips, which is just crazy. To be 40 pips, you got to be break even and taking profit around 20 is terrible, in my opinion. It's not for me, man.
Are you just trading gold this session?
Yeah, just gold, man. Well, we're going to take a little oil trade, but
Yeah.
You nearly took that US100 trade.
yeah, almost took a nasdaq trade.
Oh, you almost took it? Which one? Is it along?
There you go.
It was a short, Lewis, that then immediately shot up against it. Yeah.
Yeah.
Did you take it?
I just woke up.
No, I was actually looking for shorts. Because that hourly went very, very bearish. I was going to see if this could flip bearish and go lower.
Yeah.
And then she's ripped. Well, to be fair, we had a little double top there as well. See? That there? But the S&P had already grabbed it.
Mm.
And then she's just been on a... She's been off to the moon. Absolutely off to the moon. Oh, a bit with the trade. Let me see, man.
Yeah, it's like no target.
Nice, man. Nice.
Nowhere.
Yeah, I wonder if we're gonna come and grab, just continue running higher and grab them highs. S&P grabbed it. Yeah, S&P just grabbed them highs as well. So that's why Nasdaq's having that little sell-off. S&P grabbing that little double top daily high there. S&P may flip bearish. All right, we're short Nas right now, or what do we do?
Just short it, why not?
All right, okay, I'll open a short right now.
The gold on oil is still juicy.
Is oil?
Gold on oil. Did I just say that?
You
Gold
did.
in oil. Yeah, the hourly candle on oil.
Yeah, I like that. That could push. Yeah, re-breaks them highs. Oh, oil could have a push. I'm not gonna watch GJ until that next day.
There's 15 and 30 minutes. If it can close above that level, and then is the oil show?
Yeah.
What are you? Yeah. From the 15, there's like a resistance spears and that.
Yeah. Yeah.
Just to breaks that down. Be good for a decent run.
Yeah. Big run. And that's throwing a big wick.
Especially-
Big wick.
Like the weekly on oil, taking up our previous.
Yeah. To be honest, the higher gold pushes, the more I'm inclined to look for short soon. As soon as you come into these levels on gold, you want to be looking for shorts. Pretty much where we are now, to be honest.
Yeah, I know it's a little bit still far away, but 1954.23, I've got an alert set there.
Yeah.
I mean, it's a little bit far, but if it makes it up to there, I'll be looking at short.
Yeah, that's good, man. That's good. Yeah, I like that. I like.
The time frames are almost at 30. Yeah, that's a nice level.
Yeah, solid, man. Solid. 15-minute support broke on GJ. Yeah, nice man. Yeah, if you get close on GJ. GJ could see a run as well. Let me just get rid of Nas. 15. Yeah, as soon as you get that 15 push. Gold with the push.
The gold is on a lovely push, isn't it?
Yeah, beautiful push. Beauty push.
And oil, on a decent one.
Yeah.
How about stuff?
Yeah, oil's about to flip.
Get a coffee in your bed.
Nah, I can't be asked going upstairs.
There's no way you just woken up. Isn't it like 9:30 there for you now? Or is it the same time?
Almost. But I went out last night.
Oh, oil with the flip. Oil, there you go. Oil's just flip bullish.
Wow.
Boom, there she goes.
Wow.
Stops would have been way too big for my liking though. Yeah. Yeah, the hourly flip was really fucking clean actually. It was like, I think it was here, but stops would have been a bit too big for me. Stops would have been, no, stops quite nice actually. Probably putting it up into there. Oh, nice. GJ could get this close soon. Yeah, that flip would have been juicy. Juicy, juicy, juicy.
Like that. That's huge.
Yeah, it's nice. Just such a lovely break and retest, pushing higher. So clean.
31 pips. Candle out of 5.
Yeah, solid. So you had the 30 flip there. Yeah, it's a nice push. Real nice push. I need to start trading oil. Start getting into them oil positions.
Oil is back in the building.
Yeah. We just hit there, 14. Yeah, nice. Could even see oil run us back up to there.
Yeah. I don't want to take it out that what you got there now though.
Nah, I would have wanted it. Yeah, I would have wanted it already be in.
How about long gold?
Longs on gold?
Yeah.
Nah, it's long into support. If you long now, so you can see this 5 minutes just stalling. You're long in right into support here. So it's way too aggressive to jump in longs now. 30 hasn't broken this range just yet. But GJ is the only one that looks interesting. If GJ gets a close, you've got the potential to take GJ lower.
Yeah.
Like, you got GJ like there. Probably there. Yeah, I had it on the 30. Yeah, you get a closure below there, yeah. GJ. You can take GJ lower. But no, the thing is, if you go long on gold now, like where's stop's gonna be? Stop's gonna be down here, which is like 50 pips, which is huge. So there's not even any stop loss placement.
More like a retest and then longs.
Yeah, maybe if it gets another closure now, yeah, come back down, retest, could take it higher. I'd be more inclined to take that.
Wait, I'll draw it up on the chart.
Let's see if GJ is going to close in 5 minutes.
Yeah. We're looking for the 15 as well, yeah?
Yeah. Yeah, that'd be nice, man. That'd be nice. That'd be a nice level. I think that would be around, yeah, that's around this level and that 15 as well. So you get a nice 15 closure. Now that 15's actually broken this resistance, because this is the first 15 that's broken this resistance. So a nice closure here, and then you can look for the bounce out of that.
Yeah, that's what I'm.
Yeah, I like that, man. I like that. Because, yeah, like I said, it's easy to see this pump and be like, oh my god, gold's gone. But prior to this candle, hasn't actually done anything. It's just been stuck in this little range. But if this candle closes like this and actually breaks out, then amazing. But we have to understand you are going to get some problems right here. Support, broke, fake out, support, support.
You can take it till 1955, I guess.
1955. Yeah, if we as soon as you clear this level, around
If
like.
you look at a bit on 30, you'll find 1955 as a more of a resistance level.
Yeah. Oh man, that oil was the play. Oil was the play. GJ2
And you stepped off for a second. Did you not actually take that oil trade?
No, man, no. I wish. I don't know why I didn't take that.
What stopped you from taking that?
Nothing, to be honest, man. No reason to not take that oil one. It's a little bit frustrating. There was literally no reason to not take that. Honestly, it was.
I just didn't know if maybe you missed it or saw it too late or.
No, I actually, because I was watching on the hourly, and I actually thought the hourly stops were going to be too big, but it's only 25 pips. It's fucking perfect. It actually would have been so clean, man. So clean.
See that trade there, because this happens to me sometimes. Perfect trade, you missed it. Okay, whatever. Like move on.
Yeah.
If that did come back to the entry, would you look at a what do you call it? A retest trade?
Yeah, maybe, man. You can look for as soon as that hourly closes, you could, or this 15, you could look for take a little bottom wick and same again.
Yeah.
Now that it's actually broken.
Sometimes I miss a trade and it comes back and I go, well, it would have stopped me out at break even, but would I re-enter? And I just don't know, like, I haven't looked at it long enough to know what to do,
I mean, it's like same with this gold one right now. It's the reason I'm not jumping in gold yet. Same as this oil one. Like, if we let me delete this, and if we actually, because now it's having that push, everyone would just think, oh, I've missed the move. But if you actually look at this, prior to this current push that we're seeing, oil hasn't actually done anything. So this is the very first push the oil's actually had out of this range. So that's the first confirmation. So that's amazing. You've got what you want. Now that you've actually had that confirmation, then you get the pullbacks, and then you just do the same thing again. As long as you're not, like aggressively revenge trading it.
Yeah.
Yeah. If it now comes back up, amazing. See, look at this gold having this sell-off. This is what I'm saying. You long gold right now, you're coming into instant problems. GJ struggling. Confluences for that oil was played up into that hourly liquidity. So been in this lovely little push up, little correction. Hadn't liquidated any highs on the hourly or 15. So the hourly was creating that bottom wick before flipping bullish. So that which was that level. So that was the hourly flip right there. So the hourly, as soon as this hourly closed, this hourly opened straight push back down. And as soon as it started to reject, that's the bottom wick of the hourly to flip bullish to run up into these highs. And you'd be out already, to be honest, man. 40 pips you'd be done.
15 is living a big week on the gold.
Yep, that's why I'm not jumping in gold longs. No reason jumping gold longs just yet. You got 15 and 30 support right there, so it's too aggressive. I need to see this 15 close big. Look at that on GJ pulling back up as well. Anyone trying to chase trades getting stopped out right now. That's why we got to stay patient. Yeah, 15 just closed. Big wick on gold. No longs on gold. No shorts on GJ. This is the thing though. I think this is where a lot of retailers fuck up as well. Is you can see the markets moving huge like this on GJ, and you can think, oh my god, it's moving so quick, I'm gonna miss the move. And you wait, and all of these wicks happened within literally the last minute of all of these closures. So if you jump in trying to chase these closures, you just get instantly into drawdown. You're about to get instantly stopped out. That's for me the reason why I have to wait for the 15s to close. Because if you don't wait for them closures, you're just jumping in trades based off emotions. Whereas the last 1 minute on all these candles completely changes anything. So if gold just spikes back up, I don't care, it's not my trade. The 15 hasn't given me any reason to jump in longs.
Exactly.
I think even a lot of people probably were trying to jump in. Let me just see this 5 minute on see this 5 minute on GJ. People probably trying to jump in shorts there. Trying to jump in shorts here, and this push and almost into instant drawdown. You gotta wait for them closures. But yeah, that gold, that oil play was one for me this morning. There was honestly no reason to not jump in that. But it's okay. It is what it is. Part of the fun. There's nasdaq moving. Let me look at it here actually. A strong 15 close on this. Yeah, GJ was looking promising though, but wait till the way back up. GJ was looking like my favourite, to be honest. Now it's just a waiting game, unfortunately. Not a lot we can really do.
I think oil is just, I think that was the rip there for the morning, right?
Yeah, it's clean, man. It's clean. Very, very clean. I wouldn't really chase oil too much until that 30 close.
GJ. T's in, isn't it?
Yeah. Start talking to Goldman, hoping for Goldie to pay for the next few dates. Goldie does. Goldie pays. You just got to be patient with her. One trade on gold can change your entire week. Never underestimate Goldie. She's good to us. Yeah, that was a...
Is the day farms?
Hey?
Is the day farms?
Oh, you're damn right it is.
Nice.
Yeah. It's quite a few things today. We got PPI as well.
Yeah.
PPI at 1:30, FOMC at 7 PM. It's going to be a wild, wild day. A wild, wild day.
Half of us will pass, half of us will fail.
Who's blowing their account? You wouldn't. See, Goldie 5, flip bearish, now rip back up. GJ pushing back up.
Nasdaq.
You alright?
No.
What did you do last night? Where did you go?
No, it's just one of those like street festivals. Just had food and stuff.
Nice.
I went to bed at 1.
Nice. Did you trade US much yesterday?
No, not at all.
Sounds like something someone would say if they blew their account.
I was out.
Alright. I'm joking. Yeah, he didn't miss much. It was crazy after that news. It was pretty impossible to trade it.
Yeah, I was expecting it to just drop.
Yeah. Yeah, it wicked. It wicked where was Nas yesterday? US 200, what's that? Where was it? Yeah, ripped straight back down, and then just kind of got stuck in that little range. Look at the 30. It's fucking crazy.
Yeah, what's the S&P saying?
Let's just grab the daily highs. Look at that.
Oh.
Yeah, huge. Huge.
Gold kind of did a retest, like not exactly as we expected, but it did, yeah.
Yeah, it's pushing up, man. No entry for me though, still on gold. I wouldn't trade off that 15. But yeah, it's having a nice little push. Nice little bounce. Nice push. It's going to be interesting to see this hourly close on gold. It's going to be beautiful. Hourly is finally broken out of all of that noise, which is what you want. Is GJ moving? GJ still struggling. Done absolutely nothing today on GJ.
You could just fall asleep watching the charts like this.
Yeah, man, I'm ready to call it soon. I don't think there's much point sitting there watching it. I'm just going to wait for this to see how this hourly close, see if it's going to give us something nice. Give us the goods. Give us the goods or not, man. But there's no setups just yet, unfortunately. $5 on gold is just now chopping.
This hourly has wicked the previous hourly low.
Nice, yeah, that's what we want to see.
Go.
That's what we want to see.
Yeah, dude. Nice close.
How long we got? This 5's going to close. 5 seconds. Look at that, 5-minute close bullish. Now flipping bearish on Goldie. GJ completely ripping back higher. Stuck in this little range. Yeah, that oil push was the play today. That was the play. The markets at the minute are the reason that I'm steering away from any funding firms with time limits. Like there's not a lot you can really do here. Like, this is just something that's completely out of your control. You know, it's pretty impossible to trade US session later on as well, with PPI at 1 p.m. and then FOMC right after that. You know, you may get some little scalps, but it's very, very high risk. This is a very, very high risk week. What do we have next week? Is next week cleaner? Yeah, next week's much cleaner. Yeah, this week is massive, man. This week's huge. You know, if gold does miraculously break above here in the next 3 minutes, then it's got the potential to come up, but stop loss placement is going to be very tricky. Yeah, GJ. If anyone's trading GJ today, I would completely disregard GJ till you get closure above here or here. I would not even watch it until then. Started my FTMO challenge this month, and so far only 1 trade on it, but we need to go a few trades. Yeah, things can change around very, very quick, man, but don't let the pressure of the challenge get to you. Them challenges on FTMO and my Forex funds are not there to see traders do well, unfortunately. And they don't factor in high fundamentals like this. This week is huge high impact news, so it's very, very difficult.
Don't be scared to open a 0.01 lot though, just to count it as a trading day, because you need still the minimum 10 trading days to get the free retry.
Oh, you got hit the 10 minimum days? Nice, I didn't know that.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure you still have to hit the 10 minimum days, so don't be scared, just open a 0.01 and close it. Oh, that's right, they changed it to 4 now. Yeah.
Yeah, good shout, Blue Blake. Good shout, man.
I forgot about that.
Good shout. Goldie flipping bearish. Nas with the push. Nas with the flipperoonie. Look at this gold. Sell off right before the last few candles of this hourly. I mean, what are we up on June so far? I still think we're, let me see. Where's my June journal? In June so far, yeah, we're still up nicely on June. We've had 5 wins and 2 losses in June so far. And the 2 losses were -2 pips and -2 pips. So we're still sitting up nicely for June so far, only halfway through the month. What did we take last week? I only took, wait, what was the date last week? Last week started on the 5th. So we took 4 trades last week. 4 trades last week. 2 2-pip L's, and a break even, and then an 8-pip win, which was taken at 50%. And the first of June, we had three bangers all on the same day. So we're still sitting comfortably for June, which is nice. There you go. We just had that. Oh my god, look at that! Look at that sell-off on gold. Look at that. Fucking hell, GJ, man. Thoughts on UJ? I don't really trade it. Can I have a look there? Let's have a look. Nah, messy, man. Very, very messy. I wouldn't really touch it in any of that, to be honest. I mean, even if you like, you got Oh, let me just delete this. Let me clean this up. UJ's pretty messy, yeah. You got support there, failing to break support. But even once you do break that support, even if you do break that support, you got support there, and then you got another level back down there as well. So yeah, UJ's pretty messy for me. But look at that hourly on gold. Hourly on gold just closed with a massive wick, so I can't long gold until we break above this level, which could take like another half an hour. I don't think there's any point watching that. GJ, absolutely stuck in this range. Only unfortunate position and sort of mistrade today was that oil play. That oil play was beautiful today, but it's really nice to start watching oil again and seeing these runs. That was almost, he was hitting highs of 45 pips, which is very, very solid. So we're going to start watching oil more. But yeah, that's it for me for London. We've sat here for 2 hours. GJ needs like at least another 30 minutes. Gold needs another 30 minutes. So there's no point hanging around. I think we're just going to continue this little chop until that news later on. So that's it for me for London today, guys. I'll let you guys go. See you guys tomorrow.
Cheers, buddy. Catch
Take it easy, boys. Bye, bye, bye. All right, YouTube fam, I'm going to wrap up there. Where are we? Where's the... here. Cool. All right. Yeah, wrapping up today, guys. Markets are very, very quiet waiting for that news. Nothing huge jumping out. Unfortunately, oil had that nice bounce, which would have been a beautiful play, but I've just started watching oil again from an intraday perspective, so kind of forward testing it, getting more data. But really nice to see. But I appreciate you guys taking time to tune in. I'll be live again tomorrow for the Asian session. So if you guys want to tune in for an Asian stream, hopefully we'll catch some bangers. But for now, I'll let you guys go. Appreciate you tuning in. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace. Peace.